Hi, I'm Nathan with Furr, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on what you can expect when you have your ducts cleaned by our HVAC duct cleaning specialists. If you're still deciding whether a duct cleaning is a good idea for your home, you might have some questions like, how often do my ducts need to be cleaned anyway? That answer depends on a few factors. Some reasons that you might need to consider more frequent cleanings include smokers in the household, pets that shed, past water contamination or damage to your HVAC system, allergy or asthma symptoms, recent renovations or remodeling projects, or prior to moving into a new home. Any of those sound like your situation? If so, your house is likely a candidate for a duct cleaning, and we've got the right team for the job. Ready for some fast facts? All of our duct cleanings are performed by a 2-technician crew, and it usually takes them about half a day per zone. When it comes to cleaning your ducts thoroughly, we bring in the big guns. Our duct cleaning machine is about as big as a medium-sized refrigerator and weighs almost 200 pounds. It also has a built-in HEPA filtration, which means that the whole process is safe and healthy for your home and its indoor air quality. Our specialists have air compressors built into their trucks, with air hoses that run from the compressor to all of your home's registers and grills. Oh, and because we work to keep things convenient for you, our trucks have a backup compressor built in just in case one goes down. At Furr, we mean clean. So while the heavy-duty vacuum is a big part of removing dirt, debris, and dust buildup, we don't stop there. We clean the ducts using high-velocity air and an approved duct cleaning brush when necessary. So let's talk more about how the cleaning actually works. When we arrive, we'll need to park close enough for the hoses to reach your home. That way, we can decrease the length of the air hoses and increase efficiency. We'll also need a little space to lower the truck ramp, but don't worry, we'll work with you if you've got limited parking options. From there, we'll be sure to review the process of the job with you so that you'll know exactly what's going to be done, when, and how. We'll locate all of the vents in the home and find the best access to your HVAC unit. We'll rely on you to provide a nice, clear pathway to all of the necessary vents. Once that's done, preparations begin. We start by laying down drop cloths from the point of entry to the indoor HVAC equipment. This will be the path we use to bring the duct cleaning machine into the home. Our goal is to get the machine within 25 feet of the HVAC unit, a process that we perform with great care. Our crew will cover each of the registers and grills with something we like to call magic blue tape. It creates a vacuum in the duct that helps to prevent debris from flying into your home during the cleaning. From there, small penetrations are made to the duct framework for the vacuum hose connections. Once these are complete, we'll hook up the duct vacuum machine and begin the cleaning process. We use the push-pull method, which means the dust cleaning machine connects directly to the plenum supply air distribution box, and then to the furthest supply vent, and that force will clear everything in between. We have a system for both concealed and exposed ductwork. If your home's ducts are behind drywall, we'll use a reverse bit, which means the hose will be sent down the main supply air trunk, and as the hose is pulled back, the reverse bit pushes the debris. If you've got an open basement where ductwork is exposed, we use the forward bit, starting at the end of the supply air trunk and working our way back to the HVAC equipment, pushing debris as we go. For both methods, the vacuum collects the debris along the way. This process is repeated on the return air side of the ductwork for a thorough clean. Wondering how we can tell what's actually getting removed from the ducts? We've got a camera. Using this live feed device, we're able to check and ensure that everything is being cleared out correctly. We'll even invite you to join the viewing party so you can watch your dirty ducts transform before your eyes. Once the cleaning is complete, we detach the hoses and patch the holes using galvanized sheet metal, screws, and aluminum tape to ensure a long-lasting airtight seal. Our crew will use an air gun to clear the registers and grills of all that dust and grime buildup. We also perform a basic cleaning of the blower wheel for good measure. We finish by tidying up the entire work area. The crew will remove all the tape from every vent and will vacuum any place where dust might have collected during the process. When it comes to your air ducts, you can trust that we have the crew to get the job done right the first time. As members of the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, we've signed a code of ethics that says we'll do everything we can to protect our customers and follow the NADCA standard to the best of our ability. At the end of the day, when you have a duct cleaning performed by our trusted crew, you'll be left with sparkling clean ducts from Furr, who's been a leader in the industry for nearly 40 years.